Okay, LG front load washing machine. If we got an error, this is gonna be OE over here on this display, and you might have a leak or something on your machine. Sometimes you're gonna have water on the floor. The machine just randomly works, not work, and give you that error. You come down here on the front of the machine. There's a filter in here. Remove these. Pull these out, right? Put it in a hose. Remove this top over here. Put it in a hose, in a bucket or something. It's gonna be a lot of water coming out, so be prepared to just stop and then put it back, empty it, and then come back again. So just empty that, all the water out, and take these out. You spin it, and then you pull it out. Clean it up. That's a filter. It's a plastic piece of the filter. Put it back in, close it, and try your machine again. It should work. We got that issue. It's the second time it happens. We got dogs, and you get a lot of hair. You get dirty fast. Well, not that fast, but you get dirty quite often. That's it. And you see it. It's working now. It just happened to us, and I cleaned it. LG front load OE. That if that doesn't fix it, you might have a bad motor. That pump might be bad. You might have to replace it, and you have to take the front face out, the top, and then it's not really that hard, but it's a little more involved. You gotta take the seal out and all that stuff. But just try that first. That over there, that's probably your issue. Good luck.